What's up everyone? In today's video, I will be going over 6 personal loans that don't require income verification. When I say these personal loans don't require income verification, I'm stating that you will only have to provide stated income, which is the income you state on your application. Therefore, pay stubs, bank statements, W-2s, 1099s, 4506T, or proof of income forms are unnecessary. And although there are a variety of personal loans through private lenders, these 6 personal loans are well known and don't offer any predatory terms and conditions. Personal loans that don't require any documentation and proof of income are some of the best personal loans out there. However, some may not want to provide a financial institution with some sensitive information. Others want to avoid going through the hassle of collecting and giving documentation. Some may have employment that isn't necessarily verifiable. There could be a number of reasons why someone would like to go through a no income verification and documentation personal loan. There are no differences between the banks or credit unions that require documentation than the others that don't. One may just require verification and the other one doesn't. Additionally, since these personal loans are through some major banks and credit unions, they can offer up to $100,000. Although these banks and credit unions I will discuss in this video are no income verification, your mileage may vary. This means that most of the time, these banks and credit unions don't ask for income verification. But there's always that one person that tends to fall short and is asked to verify. So just be aware that when you're submitting your application, there may be a chance you may have to submit proof of income, but that is rare for the most part. The first personal loan I will discuss is Navy Federal's personal loan. What's excellent about this loan is that you can have bad credit and still qualify. This credit union is very relationship driven. So if you have any form of relationship with Navy Federal, you are on the right track for approval. Navy Federal is the largest credit union in the United States. This credit union has over $156 billion. So there is no shortage of money when it comes to asking for the maximum amount possible, which is $50,000. Navy Federal has been known to give out $35,000, $40,000, and $50,000 with no income verification. The interest rate on this personal loan is 7.49 to 18% up to 36 months and 14.75 to 18% up to 60 months. Additionally, you can receive funding the same business day within minutes to your Navy Federal checking account. Now, I want to mention that to qualify for a Navy Federal personal loan, you must have been approved for their membership. To qualify for membership, you will have to meet one of their requirements. You have to be a service member in the armed forces, be in the delayed entry program, be a DoD officer, cadet / ROTC, a DoD reservist, a veteran, retiree, or annuitant, and immediate family members. I will also include an eligibility link in the description to see other ways to qualify for membership. The next personal loan we will discuss is Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo's personal loan offers customizable loan options. You can take out a loan as low as $3,000 and as high as $100,000. Wells Fargo is known for giving out $50,000 to $60,000 with competitive loan terms. The rates range from 7.49% to 23.74%, and you have some flexible terms ranging from 12 to 84 months. There is no origination fee, closing fee, or prepayment penalties. And although Wells Fargo could have been better in terms of their practices in the past, you do need to have a relationship with them to apply for this personal loan. This relationship can be in the form of obtaining one of their credit cards or opening an account with them. Wells Fargo is very relationship driven. So if you have an account with them, this is an excellent option for anyone wanting up to $100,000 without documentation. To verify your information, all you must do is sign your e-loan documents upon approval, and your funds should be in your account within 1 to 5 business days. But most have received their funds overnight. You can also check your loan options without impacting your credit score, so you won't have to run up your hard inquiries to see what you would qualify for. Additionally, an APR is shown for a personal loan of at least $10,000 with a 3-year term and includes a relationship discount of 0.5%. So that's also a nice plus. The next personal loan we will discuss is Citi Bank. Citi Bank is a hidden gem considering there's not a lot of traffic to their personal loans. They don't really advertise them, and most people don't even know that Citibank offers personal loans. But this is great. This loan is one that I have a personal connection with because I was approved recently for it without providing any income verification or documentation. Additionally, one of my credit cards was at 62% utilization and I still received approval. Citibank offers personal loans as low as $2,000 and as high as $30,000. Interest rates are fixed at 4.9 to 20.49%. Additionally, there is a 0.5% APR discount if you enroll in automatic payments at the time you submit your loan application, and that is what I have done. You can also receive same-day funding if you have a Citibank account. So if you need money quickly, know that you will receive the funds the same day. To qualify for the Citibank personal loan, you must make at least $10,500 yearly in order to qualify for this personal loan. So you would just state $10,500 plus on the application. And you must have a relationship with Citi for at least 1 year. I satisfied that requirement with my Citi credit card. Now, although Citi doesn't ask for income verification, my bet is that they use your relationship as your proof. So for example, since I've had the Citi Custom Cash Card for a year, making on-time payments, they didn't need proof of income because they saw how I handled one of their products. But in my opinion, this is an absolute gem of a personal loan that doesn't get the recognition it deserves. Another bank that doesn't require proof of income and documentation for a personal loan is US Bank. If you are a US Bank member, you are eligible to apply up to $50,000. However, if you don't have a US Bank account, you can only apply up to $25,000. You can also check your rate and see if you qualify for a personal loan in your area at a soft pool using the link they provide on their website. I will also have that link in the description below. US Bank is a more relationship-driven bank, but you don't need a relationship to apply for their personal loan. If you have excellent credit, this may be a great option. If approved, you'll pay the same amount every month for a term of 12 to 84 months, but only 60 months for non-customers, with a fixed interest rate between 8.74 to 21.24%. There are no hidden fees, and since this is a personal loan, no collateral is required. This is a great option, but is more geared towards those with a relationship with US Bank or who have excellent credit. The American Express personal loan is another loan that doesn't request income verification. Most people have reported instant approval with same-day funding. So to apply for this personal loan, it is only by invitation. You will need to have an American Express credit card to apply. If you have an invitation, you will see it in your American Express portal, but I will include a link in the description to see if you have an offer that you have yet to see. Now, American Express offers personal loans as low as $3,500 all the way up to $40,000 with low interest rates. Although American Express doesn't necessarily provide their interest rates on their website, there are a bunch of data points showing people getting approved with an interest rate as low as 7%. Your credit worthiness will determine your interest rate. The great thing about this loan is that you can check to see if you are pre-approved. If approved, your credit score may not be impacted. There are also no hidden fees, and you should be receiving funding within 3 to 5 business days after you signed your personal loan agreement. Penfed is also another option. With the hype around Penfed and this credit union gaining more traffic, some reviews have been mixed. Others have stated that they are still receiving approvals of $20,000 without showing any proof of income. And there are others also stating that they've been asked to provide that documentation. Since Penfed is a credit union, they are more lenient regarding who they approve. People with bad credit under a 680 credit score and some negatives are receiving approvals. You can request up to $50,000 with a rate as low as 7.74%. Terms are up to 60 months and there are no early payoff penalties, no origination fees or hidden fees. Additionally, you can check your offer without a hard pull. If you decide you want to go ahead and keep the offer they provided you, then all you must do is accept, and you should be receiving funding within 3 to 5 business days. In conclusion, personal loans that don't require income verification can provide a hassle-free and convenient option for those seeking financial assistance. By eliminating the needs for documents like pay stubs, bank statements, and proof of employment, these loans can save you time and effort during the application process. The personal loans I discussed in this video, offered by major banks and credit unions, may request loan documents. However, it's essential to remember that not everybody's case is the same. While most of the time these lenders don't ask for income verification, there might be rare instances where some applicants are required to provide that proof of income. So keep this a possibility in mind when submitting your application. I encourage people to not lie on their applications, but to use this information responsibly. Overall, personal loans without income verification can be a convenient option with favorable terms and conditions, offering a solution to your financial goals. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful and informative, and subscribe if you are new here. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.